I'm Josh Anderson, Director of Assistive Technology for the InData project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. Recently, our team was lucky enough to attend the ATIA conference in Orlando, Florida. Please enjoy this tech tip from one of the vendors from the exhibitor hall.
Hi, I'm McWhirt with MPower Me, and we're here today at ATIA showing our cognitive support software called MyGuide. And we work on these types of situations where an individual is looking for their voice and choice and different ways of expressing it. So our technology is a downloadable software. It works on any device. It also teams up with medical devices, so if you need eye gaze, such as the iTech who we're here with, their device works well. AAC, any unlocked device, or your own device is fine. And this allows anyone that the user chooses to build cognitive support guides for them. So we try to help them emotionally regulate, effectively communicate, improve their human interactions with whoever their staff or their family is, and then also to work on their self-determination skills, to control their life on their own terms.
So this is our public library, which is full of content from real users who have donated different guides to us, and we'll just depersonalize and make them available to any new user who comes in. So I'm going to show two quick examples here. I'm going to show the first guide I ever built. I actually built it for my little brother who has autism, and this just walks him through his dishwashing routine. So step 1, turn on the water. Step 2, rinse the dish. Step 3, use a little bit of soap. But if, let's say, you have somebody who has some mobility issues and they can't swipe, that's fine. You can control it with timers or with switches or whatever they might need. You can also have the voice of MyGuide turned on, so if you have folks who are non-readers or just don't like to, you can have it read the text out loud to them. And all of this gets customized to their specific needs, their specific environment. So even these pictures here, these are pictures of my parents' house, the house that he uses this guide in, and these are the kinds of dishes he uses. But if I jump to another guide, so that just walks him through that one task analysis, that step-by-step instruction. But let's look at one that's a bit more involved. This is teaching someone about his medication, this My Meds routine. This teaches him about his medication and it helps keep him on track as he's doing so. So which meds are you taking? Our options are morning, bed, or other. If I tap on morning, this opens up his actual morning pill box right there, and it's got the medicine that's in there listed for him below it. But if I tap on one of these, this shows some information about what that medicine is actually doing for him in the language that they use, in their own household. And then if I go back up to that question and tap bed, it just flips over to his bedtime pill box, and it shows all of that medicine listed for him as well. And then let's say you have somebody who needs to deviate a little. Let's say they've got a headache or something. So now I'm going to tap other, and this shows me some as-needed medicine that I can learn about. I can figure out what I need to take. So let's say I've got some pain somewhere, and maybe my nose is bothering me. Now the next page I see, it's the pain page. I can grab an ibuprofen and it gives me some information there, and I can tell my caregivers about it. I can type a response in or use a microphone to record a response. And then the next page after that is the nose page. So I'm only seeing the information that I need in that moment. It's responding to my needs in the moment. And then at the same time that I'm playing this guide, it's generating a report that I can send to my family, my therapist, my doctor, whoever needs to see that information.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the InData Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.